ass kicked pretty good, but it's like who's with the territory.
Hey, you broke 120.
Well, that was my goal coming in. So.
Hey, that's great. Nice job. For what, about 2 months worth of work?
Right.
That shows promise. A little tight to the turn. Who knew? A little tight to the wall. You can flip about a half a stroke further out. Stroke looks nice. Kick is very solid. Look good. It'll look good. Come on. You can push off that way, but
All the underwater. It's a nice pull-out. Yeah. 2,000 lifetime bet. Really?
oh yeah.
Yeah, that's 5 yards. That's a lot of work to do in that ratio. I could tell I was killing it underwater.
There you go, that's a little better turn. Still got to streamline off the wall a little bit. She came in a half a body length back of you and came out even. You're killing her swimming.
Every time I
Turns, turns, turns.
I was at 16.
You can go as long as you want breaststroke.
I asked Fred that and he said there was a 15.
Nope. Fred's... Why are you listening to Fred? All flip turns, that's good. I'll bring it back. Have a lot left.